Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to the blog Tech Tips. Of course guys, if you have an issue where your smart TV home screen is not working or working as it should, I'll show you how you can go about fixing the issue. Now of course there can be several issues pertaining to the home screen where the home screen simply crashes or fails to load entirely or loads partially. Alright, so in those cases, we're going to show you how to deal with the issue. Now the first thing you want to do guys, if your home screen is not loading properly, is to go ahead and do a power cycle of the TV. So what you're gonna do guys is try to power off the TV. So from its current state, go ahead and power it off. Now once the TV is powered off, you're gonna unplug it from the wall. You're gonna leave it plugged out for a while, just for maybe a few seconds, just to allow the residual energy to drain. So then you can plug it right back in, and then you're gonna power back up the TV once again from a cold boot or completely cold boot. You're gonna power up the TV again, allow the WebOS or whatever the operating system that's working along with LG, allow it to load properly once more. And of course, chances are, if everything goes well, it should load everything fully. If it's still crashing out, go ahead and try to go to settings. So go ahead and access your settings menu. Once you access the settings menu, you can go to your all settings menu. Then you're gonna go to general, and then system, and then you're gonna look for an option that says reset to initial settings. Now notice that this setting basically revert all options to the TV to their default settings. And of course, you may have to modify back things a bit or customize things a bit back to your liking. All right, so the idea is sometimes these TVs, after operating for a while, they do begin to behave in that way. Plus, with reset to initial settings, the fun part is it doesn't totally reset the TV. You can also look into, as a last resort, you could look into resetting the TV as well. But of course, we don't want to go to that extreme. So reset the settings, the initial settings. And of course, you're going to reboot the TV and gonna check to see if everything is working as it should again. Another thing to do guys is to go to support and then go to software update and to get the latest update. If your TV is outdated as well, you might find that there are issues. So keeping it up to date with the latest settings could also help in keeping the TV functioning properly. Usually if you do all of these things, it should result in the TV operating as it should, and of course the home screen and its crashes should be fixed. If all else fails, you might just have to do a complete reset. I have a separate tutorial on that, where you can go into resetting your TV completely. And of course, if you do all of these guys, your home screen should fully be back up and operational. All right, so see you in the next one guys. Bye.